if you have a power supply in your top front trunk here, then you probably also have this sub harness. Let's see, this one's 32210-MJFA000. In this sub harness, up here, you've got 4 plugs. Now, they don't come with these little clips, this white clip and this red clip. Those come with the different items that I have in here, like this power supply. So I couldn't find these clips anywhere. I went and got these connectors and I reversed them so that you can't plug it in backwards. And I haven't tied up the wires yet, but I'm going to somehow have this fuse hanging down where I can reach it underneath here someplace. Route the others wires up behind here, around here, around this, and then they come up right up here on the handlebars up to the bracket. These are the clips I use. They work pretty good. Fully insulated disconnect, 22 to 18 gauge. And that's these right here. So what I did is I clipped off one of these ends because I still have one left and I don't know what else I'd be putting on here other than maybe heated grips, but probably not. Okay, I finally have it all zip tied up. There's a little hole back behind this bracket here, and that hole has a zip tie holding most of the wires that are coming out of that sub harness. Then it goes up here, and I zip tied a bunch of the excess wires. You can see there's a loop here. There's a lot of excess wire I zip tied right in here. And then I haven't zip tied anything over here, but then it goes up and right down. I have risers on my handlebars. I threw the audio in, audio out, and microphone in wires right through there and just zip tied them right here. And then this wire, the main power wire, I zip tied right here. I haven't clipped it off yet. And then routed everything through this hole right here, where most of the cables are going through. Okay, I finished zip tying everything up. So I have this old power supply here with one plug in here and 2 USB ports, but the Garmin comes with its own USB port, so I put it here and just zip tied it right here. And now, power it up. And there we go. So the hardest thing of this whole install, other than having to remove all the Tupperware, which I will get to in another video because I didn't see anybody else doing a video of that, is the U-bolt that comes with it. So you put that around your handlebars, and it's supposed to go through this bracket right here, and I got 2 threads going through the bracket, not nearly enough to hold it on. So I went down to the hardware store and I got a let's see what size it is. I got a 1/4 inch by 1 1/8 by 2 1/4 inch stainless steel U-bolt, and the threads were exactly the same as what came with it, and I have little caps to put on the ends there. But it's stainless steel. It worked really good. The only thing I had to do is I had to muscle it open a little bit because it wouldn't quite fit around. And then just to avoid marring on the handlebars, I wrapped with extra thick electrician's tape 2 wraps around the handlebars.